Hey guys, so it's our 1 year 6 months mark in our marriage. We're celebrating that milestone and we're here at the Jewel Paradise Cove Beach Resort and Spa in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. Yeah, so basically we're just coming from our room and we're heading to breakfast. So we just left breakfast, which was good. I'm heading to the reception area to check the schedule for today, just to see the activities that they will be having, to see if we are interested in anything. Get a back camera. So we went and checked out the schedule for today. I also made a reservation for dinner later because it's our date night. So it's gonna be like dinner and entertainment combo. Yeah, so looking forward to that, and it's gonna be at 6 o'clock, and of course I'll take you guys along. Right now I'm just at this cute little flowers area on the property. The lighting is so nice, yeah, and the background I'm going to show you guys on back camera. And then across from here we have the spa and the gym. So yeah, just showing you guys around a bit. So we're gonna go back to our room now and just chill for a bit, and then we plan to go to the pool. Stop trouble me. We are dressed for the pool. Yeah. We're gonna get something to eat first by the jerk center. Heading to dinner. It's like 5 minutes to 6. Christmas are keeping up. But yeah, we're excited. It's our date night and it will be our first time at this restaurant since we're here, so looking forward to it. You want to say that?
All right.
Divorce. Anniversary. We're both celebrating our 1 year and a half anniversary. 1 day apart.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 day apart.
You guys are almost twins, you know.
Basically.
So congratulations again. So you got to seal it up with a kiss, all right? So I'm going to give you your glasses, and you guys seal it up with a kiss. All right, there you go. Congratulations again, all right?
Thank you.
See you again next year around the corner. So this right here is my Jamaican boyfriend. His name is Oscar. Ladies, say hey, Oscar.
Hey, Oscar. Still be loving you. Still we're 17. Darling, I love you. Still we're 17.
Alright, so I said, boy, you got my heartbeat running away.
And Germany
drink together. Let's have a drink together. Come on, guys. Social.
So it's a new day. We had breakfast earlier and right now we're heading to another pool that's here. So yesterday we went to the main pool. At the main pool you have a bar, so you basically swim up to the bar, and this one is pretty much the same. However, there is another pool that I'm going to show you guys right now, and that pool you can get your sandwiches, burgers and wraps, stuff like that. The way I'm blending with the background but I am about to go to lunch right now. This is the fit. Actually filmed a get ready with me for TikTok, so I'm gonna put my TikTok on the screen right here. You can go follow me and check out that video. I'm gonna be showing you guys what the lunch buffet is like here. Lunch was good, by the way. I am going to show you guys just a few more spots on the property. So right now I am near to this cafe. It's called Irie Cafe and it's basically like a coffee shop. They have little pastries, you know, any little thing like that. And then right next to it you have the photo shop, gift shop thingy, like a wedding section too. So I'm gonna show you guys all of those little spots right now. So those are a few little spots that may come in handy if you ever decide to come here at Jewel Paradise Cove. I do hope you guys like the vlog so far. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you've been here or if you would come here, you know. Just talk to me down below. There are about 5 restaurants including the buffet, I believe. We've been to 2 so far, so we're going to the 3rd one tonight. But we're gonna go by the buffet just to see what the vibe is like and to get some content for you guys so you can see the spread that they have there. So stay tuned.
Big up, big up.
Morning guys, it's our final day here, final morning. We check out this morning, so we're gonna go to breakfast for the last time.